Hey, it's the software engineering student here. Today we're going to just have a short video where I'll be talking about access modifiers. So, when we've been creating variables and when we've been creating methods, we can use access modifiers to determine how large an area of our program would be able to access these variables or methods. So, we first of all got public, which is like the everywhere modifier, which allows our variables, for example, to be accessed in the class, in the package, in the subclass, and in the global program. So for now, we know what a class is. Global is everything. Package is kind of like this file structure of a program. The subclasses we'll be talking about that later in the videos in the future. Protected, only class, package, subclass, default, class and package, and private only class. But for now, mostly we will be using public modifiers and private modifiers. And in the next video, we'll be talking about encapsulation, which is one of the basic principles in the object-oriented programming. That means that we're using access modifiers to define which parts of our code is accessed. So for example, that our class variables are only accessed in a class. But basically, access modifiers, just remember these, or maybe keep a picture of this. But basically, for now, we're only using public and private. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next episode.